Kitana, my queen. You know me, welcome back. So, in today's video we're gonna be doing something different, never done it before. We're gonna be recreating a look. I'll show you it here, or here, somewhere here. Ariana Grande's and Lady Gaga's music video, Rain on Me. As you can see, I'm doing one eye because I wanted to make sure I can do it. I'm gonna do my black eyeliner as normal, maybe a bit shorter, so we're gonna go with white line on the above. We're gonna put some brown eyeshadow on top. Ariana, she has very settled makeup, so we're gonna use brown, nothing crazy. And then we're gonna do a lip. In the video she has like a pinkish lip. I don't know, we're gonna mix some colors, we're gonna make it work. I hope you guys enjoy my video. We're gonna be starting with doing black eyeliner. Some people ask me what black eyeliner do I use. I use from Rimmel London, the Glamites, with a very pointy tip. Works best for me. Take the eyeliner and we're gonna do, showed you guys before how to do it, so we're gonna do it quickly. And I'm having a close mirror because, you know, all the details. So we take the eyeline, we're gonna go from the corner of your eye, you do a straight line. Like this. So now we have to connect it with the eye. So from the top of the line, gonna be going. Hope you guys can see. So like this. Don't worry if it's not perfect, we're gonna make it perfect. It's so hot today and I'm doing makeup. I don't know what my life came to. So we're not gonna go like this. So we basically have the outer lines done. Looks the same to me. Now we're gonna fill it all, like cover the lid. Like that. Don't worry if it's not perfect, we're gonna clean it up after. That's how it is. Our eyeliner, we're gonna do some little brown eyes. This Morphe palette, like this one. You know, my go-to brush. We're gonna dip this little brown one, and then we're gonna move to the orangey one. And we're gonna cover all of your lid. So we're gonna start here. Very light, this color. But you know. So what do you guys think about the new music video? I know all the gays are going crazy, everyone's going crazy. Top 1, oh my god. Trending on YouTube. It's amazing. We're gonna try it out in the clips when they open. So basically we put the brown shadow on, now we can blend it a bit. Only just a little bit because we're gonna cover it. And then we can move to the orange one. Orange and brown. And we're gonna go in the same places. So pack it in and blend. That's what I do in my life, pack and blend. So on Friday, guys, I'll be moving to my new apartment. This means we're gonna have a new background. Blend, blend, blend. So I have one little mirror and I have a mirror behind you guys. So I'm looking in it now from far away because, you know, you have to look far away and close to have all the details. So when I started doing this eye, where I started with, this is Maybelline's like concealer type of stuff. I thought it's good because I can outline where the line's gonna go and it's easier to rub than paint. So we start with this one, like very thin brush so you can do the lines carefully with. I started the eye from doing like a little white line at the bottom of my line, and then I follow. Going that way. Then I have to go to the end of it. And then we have to, you follow the eyeliner, now you have to go around. And then keep going. And keep following. Another weird face like this, I can see where I'm going. So basically this is the outline. Does it look similar? Doesn't have a choice, it must be. I decided to use like this UV glow paint, face paint. You can do eyeliners with it, you can do all sorts of it. If you go to the golden makeup, it's gonna be shining in the lights. So we just take the white, that's gonna keep it in place. So we start in the same places, we go from here. And then we go up. Same but at the bottom, so we just take the foundation stick first and we're gonna go under. So you just follow your lash line and join with this top eyeliner like this. I'm gonna powder some because the UV paint. We're gonna do things. I mean, you can use anything you want, like white eyeliner, but it's hard to find a proper pigmented white eyeliner. I've seen people using the paints that you of water and you dissolve the paint in it. That's good as well. So we're going with the white paint. Careful not going into your eyes. Like this. I'm gonna be using Laurel Paris Black. I don't know. We're gonna pop an eyelash on. I'll be back in 1 second. So to this look, I've chose like a little, not little, like a medium eyelash because my dark eyelash is wet. So choose an eyelash that doesn't cover the white line. I'm gonna pop some like a highlight or something because you know Ariana Grande always has a baby face. So I'm gonna be using liquid highlighter from Revolution. It's called a Unicorn. So we're gonna pop this in your cheeks. So you know, now we have to get a lip. A little pinky lip, but I only have like extra colors. So we're gonna mix, you know, I'm a crafty queen. I use Huda Beauty mini lip. Now we're gonna go with medium brown. And last, we're gonna go with Looks like a baby pink, doesn't it? So I'm gonna put some hair, some clothes, and I'll be right back. I hope you guys enjoyed watching my video. If you did, like, comment, and subscribe down below. I'll be reading your comments and replying. See you in another one.